All right, so today we are prepping there's some patch panels that were put in here by the previous owner. And so we're going through and we're gonna use some of this 3M panel bonding adhesive as somewhat of a seam sealer. So in order to do that, we need to take it down, scuff it down really good with some of these pads. I got a couple of different styles. I got a gray, blue, red, brown, different type of grit equivalent. Once you get that down, then we'll wipe it down with some wax and grease remover or acetone, and we'll have to use this special gun for applying the panel bonding adhesive. Then after we're done with that, we're gonna coat any of the bare metal with POR 15 and then spray down an even coat of black on here and then on the back part too, and then coat it with or line it with sound deadening material along the firewall on the floor, which we use a Noico sound deadening with a butyl backing on it. We use it in our Jeep and it worked out really well, so that's what we're going to work on today. All right, so we're got this 3M panel bonding adhesive hooked up in the gun here. To show you how this works, this tip actually mixes all the stuff together, mixes the two parts as it comes out of the tip, which is pretty cool. They're non-reusable, so I gotta get all of it done as much as I can with one shot here. So I got everything prepped. I'm not really happy with how they did the previous repairs on this, but looking at what I had to do before with the other cab and how bad it was, I'm really not too disappointed about not having to fix all this stuff. So I think it's going to be a lot better than all the headaches I would have spent doing the other one. So here we go. I am going to smooth out some of these joints here to get better coverage. Really what I'm getting after is I want to seal this up so that we're not going to get any moisture, water up in the cab here, because these, like I said, this repair kind of sucks. But put on the panel bonding adhesive is all getting set up. Got the back wall scuffed down, ceiling scuffed down. I'm gonna paint it flat black, and we're gonna put sound deadening over all the stuff, the Neuco stuff that we use in the Jeep. So let's get rolling. Alright, so today's progress on the cab. We got the seam sealer on. That's all on there now. Looks good. Got the bare metal sections coated with the Por 15, and then we sprayed the inside shell of the cab matte black with an enamel. It's looking pretty good. Just waiting for some of this other stuff to dry up. Found out that they cut out the main center beam on this cab, and probably gonna end up having to cut out the section on the other cab to weld into this one, which shouldn't be too bad, but this is a lot of structure. You can see, I mean, this just pushes right in. So good progress for today. Stuff is gonna dry up, and then we'll put I've been talking about sound deadening stuff, which is this right here. Comes in sheets, and then I'll show how that goes on later. So I think that's a wrap for today.